Alright guys, you will need garlic, some cloves of garlic, a needle and a thread, just like this. It has to be a sterilized needle. Make sure the needle is not rusted, a rusted needle, no. Just like this, a needle and a thread, and clove of garlic. Alright, so I'm going to peel off the back. I'm going to make use of just one clove of garlic. Peel it off, peel off the back. You just have to be careful not to cut the inner part of the garlic, only the back of my garlic. Alright, okay, so here is it. So you have to be careful when peeling off the garlic, the back of the garlic, in order not to pierce it. Alright guys, so keep watching. I'm going to tell you what this actually works. After peeling it off, you have to wash it in a very clean water, not a warm water, just a very clean, cool water. Wash it very well. Alright, so this is my thread and a needle. Make sure the needle is not rusted. You have to make use of a new needle in this remedy. Just pass your thread through this way, like this. You just have to tie the end of the thread, just like this. You have to make it thicker. Okay, so guys, the next thing to do is to sterilize my needle and the thread. Okay, so you just place it in a bowl like this. I'm going to make use of apple cider vinegar to sterilize this thread and needle. You just need only small quantity of apple cider vinegar, just like this. Okay, so you have to just leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes in this liquid, in your apple cider vinegar. Just leave it for some minutes. Make sure you wash your hands very well. Keep everything very clean. So after that, you just have to remove it. Alright, and get another clean water, a very clean, cool water, and rinse off the apple cider vinegar from it. So next thing you are going to do is to insert the needle through the garlic. You have to pierce it through the garlic, just like this. Okay, so this place needs to just remain like this. I hope you are seeing it. Just pass it through the garlic and you have to cut it. So after cutting it off, you have to insert the garlic into your vagina, and this treatment should be done only at night. You have to insert it only at night so that in the morning you just pull it out from your vagina. So when you insert it, do not push in this thread into the vagina. You just have to insert the garlic, only the garlic, into the vagina, and leave the remaining thread just out of the vagina, so that the next day you'll be able to drag it out, drag it out from your vagina. Why should I insert garlic into my vagina? Why? Okay guys, just keep washing. Alright, leave it inside the vagina through the night, all through the night. The next day, just drag it out. You just have to be gentle when dragging it out from the vagina to prevent the thread from cutting and leaving the garlic behind. Anyways, if the thread is caught during the dragging out, when you're dragging it out from the vagina, you don't have to be, there's no worries, you don't have to worry, alright, because the vagina contracts by itself and it has the ability of pushing out any foreign object, be it natural or artificial, out of the vagina. So that is a wonderful thing the vagina does really well. But it's just safe, very, very safe. You are going to notice something during this treatment. Garlic makes the vagina to have a watery discharge. Alright, you have to make use of this treatment only once, only that night. The next day you just drag it out, and trash it out. Drag it and bring it out and trash it. Do not repeat this garlic. Do not use this same garlic again. And using it once is only if you have a mild discharge, like if you have an itchy vagina or not so bad, like it doesn't have a serious smell, a foul odor. Just use this treatment only once at night. But maybe after using it only once, the next day you remove it and you still notice like a slight discharge. Repeat it again the next night and finally it will be gone. And that is enough to kill the bacteria, kill the yeast infection perfectly well. But if the infection is a serious one, like a more advanced one, as like all those thick discharge, yellowish discharge, greeny discharge, like those that comes with a very foul odor, then you have to start your treatment in the morning and do it again at night. So when you insert this in the morning, at night you just drag it out, bring it out of the vagina and trash it out. You don't have to repeat this. Each garlic, morning and night. Do not repeat it. Once you just drag it out, you trash it. Wash your vagina area then with a very clean water and a neat. Wash your hands properly as well. Then you insert it again with another thread. Make sure anytime you want to repeat this treatment, sterilize your needle and your thread. Then you insert it just the same way you started it with. So when you insert it at night, the next day you just drag it out. Just repeat it morning and night for those advanced infection, and those discharge will be gone. The only discharge you'll be having is those natural discharge. But for those excessive discharge, before you insert this, just use a clean towel. Wash the towel very well. Do not make use of a tissue. Please do not use a tissue to wipe your vagina. Use a clean towel like a face towel or hand towel. Wipe out those excessive discharge before you insert this garlic into it. Just insert it, push it in. Alright, garlic is just the perfect treatment for mild discharge, excessive discharge, any infection you have. It works so fine. It's very natural and safe. So during the peeling of the garlic and there is a cut in it, the juice will come out. So when you pierce it, it's going to be more active. But one thing is, you are going to notice a hot feeling inside the vagina when you have a cut on the garlic. You just notice that heat inside you. It's more effective when you pierce it, but it's more advisable if you have that serious, like those serious excessive discharge. It's better to pierce it. Give it a little pierce, like a little cut, then insert it in. Is more effective. Instead of the infection to heal like 3 days, it's going to get cured for just 1 day. And that is it, guys. Garlic kills bacteria, it kills yeast infection in the vagina and keep the environment so healthy. It's really effective and natural, and of course very, very cheap. It's not expensive at all. Alright guys, so that is it. And if you find this video helpful, quickly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button that says subscribe. And do not forget to share this video. It's very free. Just share it out. Share it to everyone, all ladies we all need this. It's very, very needed. So guys, I'll see you in my next video.